everyone, and I'm back again with your reading on the occasion of the full moon today. And today is 8th August 2021. It is 8/8/2021. Today is a very important day. New moons are all about setting your intentions, manifesting whatever you want to achieve in the world, for creating whatever you want to create in your life, or the kind of life you want to create. So I'll be doing all zodiac signs with a little love message also. So without delay, let's begin. I'll start with the fire signs, the Aries. So let's see what we have for our Aries collective. Okay, so self-discipline. Aries are required to self-discipline in their lives. And let me see what are the tarot cards, what's the message tarot has for our Aries collective. This is for Aries collective. Spirit guides, my love team, this is for Aries collective. So let's see, and in the reading I'm going to tell you what you have to take with you and what you have to leave behind, which means what you have to work with and what you have to release. Whatever is you are supposed to release, I'm going to tell you about that. So let's see what the spirit guide messages are for the Aries collective. The oracle card says that you should self-discipline yourself. This is the message which we have got according to the according to your spirit guides. So let's see what the Aries have. Okay, so the cards, the tarot cards which has come, the cards which I've pulled out for you are the Seven of Wands, then you have the Queen of Pentacles here, and you have the Queen of Swords here. So I think Aries, you are defending something, and whatever you are defending, you have to self-discipline yourself. You do not have to go overboard. You have to speak the truth, because it could be you, it could be somebody else. There are two people here. This is Queen of Swords and this is Queen of Pentacles, which means that this could be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, or Taurus, and this could be Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. So this woman is, she's pointing like this. So that means she wants the truth out. She's very logical, she's very rational, and this is about self-care, looking after yourself, and also your needs and the people around you. So you're very caring. So you should be in a mode of self-discipline. That is, instead of resisting something or the truth which should come out, you should not resist it. You should let go of your energies. So the message on the new moon day today is that you should speak the truth. You should have clarity regarding some issue, and for that you need to self-discipline yourself. This is the message for you, Aries. Now we are going to do for the Virgos. For the Leo, because we are doing the fire signs first. So let me see what we have for you, Leos. What is the message on the new moon day for the Leos? Alright, so let's have a look. One minute, I'm also human. I just forgot to take out the love message for you. Let me see what is the love message for you, Aries. Let us see what is the love message for you, Aries. Okay, so the love message for you is, this is your love message, and it reads, deep in your heart you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Exactly, self-discipline, speak the truth. In your heart, deep in your heart you already know the answer. Do what feels right. So do whatever feels right for you, Aries. Now I'm going to do for the sign of the Leos. And of course this is the Leo season, and we also have the Lion Gate here. So let's see what the Leos have. Please, spirit guides, give me the cards for the Leos, the message for the Leos. Okay. Alright, and the message for the Leos. Teaching and learning. You have got the card teaching and learning. So I think Leos, you are either learning something or you are in a profession where you are required to teach. And the cards which I have are Nine of Swords. Then you have the Nine of Cups here. The Nine of Cups here, and you also have the Eight of Pentacles here. So definitely you are working on something. You are learning something. Eight of Pentacles is all about project work. It is all about learning something. So you are learning something, you are working on something, and there seems to be that something is actually, Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment card. So you are very happy in your work. You are very happy in working on something, and you're also very happy in teaching and learning. But you also need to release your anxiety. You are anxious about something, you're anxious about something, Leos. So please remove that, this kind of anxiety in your life. Try to get rid of this anxiety, worry, sleepless nights, nightmares, whatever it is. And whatever you are doing, you should indulge yourself very, very passionately in your work. So this is the card for the Leos, for the message for the Leos, and let us see what is the love message for you. The love message for you is look inside yourself, examine what is causing you to feel this way. Why are you feeling anxious when you already have a wish fulfillment card here, Nine of Cups? Nine of Cups is all about ending, and Nine of Cups is all about beginnings. Number 9. So Nine of Swords, this is a card of worry, this is a card of stress. So this, your love message is saying that why are you, you should look inside yourself and that examine what is causing you feel this way. What is causing you feel this way? So this was the reading for the Leos. Now this is for the Sagittarians. Let's see what we have for the Sagittarians. This is the reading for Sagittarians collective. So my spirit guides, please give me what is the message on the new moon for the Sagittarians. Okay. So let's see what is the message for you all for the Sagittarians. This is for the Sagittarians collective. Please be safe and happy in the world. All the zodiac signs, all my signs, wherever you are. So let us see what is the message for the Sagittarians. Okay, here we go. It's Four of Pentacles. You have the Four of Wands, number 4. And you have the Seven of Wands. You have the Four of Pentacles here, Sagittarians. You have the Four of Wands here, Sagittarians. And you have the Seven of Wands here, Sagittarians. So you are definitely, these signs are, you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag, you yourself, or you could be dealing with Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Now here you are defending some situation regarding your home. This is defending energy. You are trying to stand your ground, and you are trying to defend your home life or something regarding your home, some sort of home connection here, and you are actually holding on to it. You are holding on to some sort of situation which you shouldn't be holding. So you should release that, that kind of negative energy. You're holding it too tightly. Number 4 is dominating here because you have 2 cards here of number 4. And 4 is all about structure, all about solidity, all about grounding. So you are grounding, but it seems that you are over-grounding yourself. You are holding on to something. You are defending it very badly here. Now let us see what is the message of the for the Sag here. Follow your dreams. So it says follow your dreams. You should go after your dreams. but you should also try to be a little flexible here. And let us see what is the love message for you. The love message is, beware of what you are projecting, for the qualities you admire in one another are qualities you both possess. Equally so, the qualities you don't like are also your own reflection. So this is your love message here, Sagittarian. So you should follow your dreams, but you are defending very badly, and I think you should be a little easy on yourself. So these are the cards for the Sagittarians. Now I'm going to do the card for the water signs, which is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So first we'll begin with the Cancer zodiac sign. These are the readings for the Cancerians. My spirit guides, please give me the message for the Cancerians. What is it that they should follow, or they should keep in their minds? Okay, now this is for the Cancerians. All right, my Cancerians, you've got lovely cards here. You have the Ace of Cups here, then you have the Six of Cups here, and you have all the cups, and you have the Two of Cups here. So you have very, very beautiful and lovely cards. There is a brand new beginning in love, or something you are aspiring for, Cancerians, and I think you will be given an opportunity to get something here, whatever you want to in your heart, whatever your heart is dreaming of, wanting, and this is the card from your past, or something you are pursuing, some past relationship, or something from the past, and you have very strong feelings for this thing. So, and this is a card of harmony, peace, love, everything. So there is a brand new beginning here in love, my Cancer. So let's see what is the message for you here. Compassion. You've got your card Compassion. Exactly what you are feeling. You are feeling very compassionate. You are feeling very, very overwhelmed regarding some sort of relationship or work or whatever you desire for. And also let us see what is the love message for you. The love message for my Cancerians is sacred union. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. This is the love message for you, that you should honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. So you've got a very, very lovely partner, and you have a brand new beginning in love. You both have compassion for each other. So it's very nice, very good cards for you, my Cancerians. Now we are going to do a reading on Pisces, another water sign. So let's see what we have for our Pisceans here. Another water sign, and what are they pursuing? What is the message of the new moon today? So let's see what is the message of the new moon for our Pisces. My love team, what is the message for the Pisceans here? All right. All right, Pisces, the cards which I've got for you are Eight of Cups. Then you have the Page of Pentacles here. And then you have the Tower card here, Pisceans. And let me see what is the oracle message for you. Individuality. You have got the card Individuality, which means that you are looking into, there is something in your life that you're walking away from. Eight of Cups is all about walking away. Eight of Cups is about individuality. You are trying to find your power. You are trying to find your individuality. You are wanting to find your identity. This card is related with your own identity, Pisces. So you are walking away from a situation which is not giving you your identity, and the overall energy is the Tower. Yes, definitely there's a massive change, massive upheaval in your life has occurred, and definitely in the future you are going to be given an opportunity, a brand new opportunity, which you can bring yourself, you can work out your goals, from this opportunity which you will get. You will definitely get an opportunity to work on your goals, and this is the issue regarding your individuality, regarding your identity in this world. And let us see what is the love message for you, for my Pisceans. What is the love message for my Pisceans? The love message is, okay, forgiveness. This is your love message. Stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream and imagine. So you should not focus on the past events, whatever whatever Tower moments have occurred in your life, whatever upheavals, whatever massive shift or change has taken in place in your life. Don't focus on this. Focus on your opportunities you will be getting in future. You should focus on this. This is also your love message here. So this is what I have for you, my Pisceans. Okay, so now I will do a reading for the Scorpions, the third water sign. So what is the message for the Scorpions on this new moon day, 8/8/2021? What is the message for the Scorpions? Let us see what is the message for the Scorpions here. We have done, I think we have done all the 6 signs, that is Aries, Leo, Sag, and then Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So let us see what we have for our Scorpions here. What is the message of the new moon for the Scorpions here? Alright, Scorpions, the card which you've got is the Ace of Cups, a very beautiful card, brand new beginning in love, or if you're with somebody, it's already a brand new beginning here. You have 5 of Pentacles here, which means that you were, of late, you were very much feeling insecure, abandoned about your love situation maybe, or about your love, about your work. And this is a card of scarcity, poverty, 5 of Pentacles. And then you have the Magician card. Scorpions, this is a very good energy, and whatever you want to create in your life, you have everything, all the elements, all the qualities required, required to be successful in your life. Now let me see what is the oracle message for you. Domestic harmony. So you should focus on domestic harmony here, my Scorpions, which seems that there is a brand new beginning. The brand new beginning in love, which is the Ace of Cups here. Then because you are feeling very, very insecure at home maybe, and also you have the Magician card, so you should try to manifest domestic harmony. You should try to manifest peace in your house, in your relationships, in the family. And let us see what is the love message for for the Scorpions here. Here it is. This is your love message. Life is a series, it says. It says that life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow and you will be surprised where it leads. So this is your message, Scorpions. So you should focus on domestic harmony. There's definitely a brand new beginning in love here. So we have finished all the 6 signs here: Aries, Leo, Sag, and Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And I'm going to come up with the rest of the 6 signs, which are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and you have air signs Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. So till then, goodbye and namaste.